Midwest Picker on YouTube.
Hey, welcome to the Midwest Picker YouTube channel. My name is Dave. This is Joey. This video is a little bit different. I might lose a few subscribers. I don't care. I'm just having fun today. I realize I have so many new subscribers. There is no way you've seen all my old videos. So I'm going to put together this montage of Joey videos, and it's going to be a lot of fun. They're pretty funny videos involving this guy right here. I even got him mic'd up with a lapel mic just in case he wants to chime in. But these are funny videos involving Joey you probably have not seen. This is like a flashback. So the first video we're going to watch is an outdoor video. I was doing some gardening or dealing with flowers or something, and Joey scared me. The second video is the time I provided counseling for Joey. And the third video is when I busted Joey, walked in on him, and I caught him trying to send an email, and he was typing with his nose. So let's get into the first video. Hey, Midwest Picker here. So I'm outdoors today. I've been talking all week to Mrs. Midwest. I'm going to start doing some landscaping this week. Pruning back the dead stuff, taking care of stuff. So I want to make this quick video before I talk about reselling in the second half of the video. So what I have here is a mum plant. If you guys aren't familiar, I'm in Michigan, so it's really cold. It's 42 degrees right now. These mum plants, they flourish, it seems like, in cold weather. The frost at night does not kill them. Frost at night will kill other flowers. But these are sold in late fall, and they do really, really well. It's been down to like, I don't know, 29 degrees at night, and they seem to do really good. Oh my gosh. Well, you're not going to believe this. What in the name of Neptune are you doing out here? How did you got dirt on your nose? Is that how you got out here? Why are you out here? No, you can't help me with the flowers. You don't have hands. What if the neighbors see you? I could go to jail. Now you get your butt back in that eBay office right now. Okay, it's a figure of speech. I know you don't have I want you to march right back in that house. Take off that jacket. Okay, I know you don't have legs. I'm gonna have to carry you. I'm gonna go to jail one of these days. Don't ever pull this again just because you want to help with flowers. My pulse is 100 right now. Alright, so you're grounded for 2 weeks. I don't care if the house is on fire, you're grounded for 2 weeks. That means you can't leave. You can't leave this office for 2 weeks. That's what grounding means. So I don't care if you have an earthquake, house is on fire, you're grounded. There's no more of this shenanigans and buffoonery. Oh my gosh. My pulse is 100. Did you see that on the pulse oximeter? Well, that was fun to watch. That was at the old house. I don't even know what year that was. 2018 maybe? Long time ago. How he pulled that off, I don't know. All right, on to the next video. I know you want to go, but tomorrow is Labor Day, and I'm going to a flea market. You just can't go. Yeah, I know, it makes you sad. Here, let me get this for you. Let me get that for you. There we go. I don't want you to feel bad because you're going to be here in the office. You won't be alone. You got Enoch here.
I'm sorry you do not understand.
So what you can do is you can journal, you can think about what sells on eBay, you can take inventory of all the stock here. There's lots of things you can do. You just can't go with us. Yeah, Joey can be an emotional guy, but you know, he got through it like a man. Proud of this guy. All right, last video. Do you hear that noise? I don't remember closing this door when I left. Hey, get away from my laptop. What are you doing? Alright, we're back in the eBay office. Joey had me scared. I thought he was shopping on Amazon again. I found this on the printer. Dear Nana Tink Treasures, I am your biggest fan. What is your favorite color? You spelled favorite wrong. I like tacos. You don't like taco. You don't even eat food. What is your favorite food? I enjoy your YouTube videos. Take care. You spelled videos wrong. Take care, Joey. Well, apparently Joey was writing a fan letter to Nana Tink Treasures. Good thing he wasn't shopping on Amazon again. That could have been... That just fell down. That could have been expensive again. So, lesson learned, I have to lock my laptop keyboard because he might get a hold of it. So I'm sorry if this is your first time to my channel. It's a weird introduction. My name is Dave. I'm a part-time reseller, part-time YouTube content creator, full-time nurse, father, husband, keeper of Joey, keeper of Enoch. Well, there you have it. Some old Joey videos. Let me know down in the comments what you thought of that. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you're brand new and this is your very first video, I apologize because you'll probably never come back. But that's the video, guys. Hit that share button if you know somebody that has a sense of humor that might like this video. Until next time, see ya.